This video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the SE-S3000 register. So this process will wipe all the sales totals back to zero, but also reset all the programming data back to the out-the-box manufacturer's default. First thing to do is to turn the key to the off mode and then press and hold down journal feed. Turn the key to PGM, release journal feed, and then when you get in it and lots of zeros on the screen, you type in 13040 and then press the subtotal button. The machine will now take a minute or so to perform the factory reset or initialization. There's nothing else to do other than wait. What will happen is you'll get a receipt printout confirming the reset, and you'll be returned to the main PGM settings menu, where you can either start reprogramming the machine or you can simply turn the key round to the off mode if you are finished using the register. If you are looking at reprogramming the machine, then at the end of this video there'll be plenty of other videos appearing showing you the basics of the programming. It might also be worth subscribing to this YouTube channel, we're always posting new videos on the help with the Casio tools. You can also visit casiohelp.co.uk for more information. Thanks for watching.